This is the professional Vitamix blender, and we have owned it for about 8.5 years now. If you are looking for a blender that is super powerful, you want something that can do multiple different things, this is definitely the blender for you. Here's just kind of what it looks like. It also has a longer cord if you need it, that is just on the bottom there that you can take out. We have never really needed the cord longer than that. I have really been impressed with how powerful this blender is and just the overall quality of it. On the side here you have your on and off button. And then on the front here, you have your knob, which is going to control the power of the machine. And then the start, stop knob. And then they also have this pulse feature, which is really nice for like vegetables or if you're doing like a salsa. This one can hold 64 ounces or 8 cups, so it is really quite large. You can fit a lot in there. There's a little compartment on the top here that you can actually screw off, and which is nice, really nice about this is that if there's anything that's kind of stuck in there or not moving, you can put your little, I don't know what you would call this little thing, but you can push that in there and that just kind of breaks up whatever you're trying to blend and get it moving again. This blender is so powerful that you can actually heat up soups, so you can make soup in here, which is really neat. Overall, I feel like this blender really lives up to the hype.